Hello everyone, you are watching Daily English, Day 6, from TeacherTechTube. This is Sam, your personalized English speaking coach. Today, we discuss 10 ways to introduce someone to others. 1. Hey Ben, I would like you to meet Sam. 2. Ben, look, here is Sam. Sam, meet Mr.Ben. 3. Hey pal, I would like to introduce my roommate, Mr. Sam, to you. 4. Ben, may I introduce Sam to you? 5. This is Sam, my college mate. 6. Let me introduce Sam, my colleague. 7. Ben, have you met Sam? Here he is. 8. Do you know Sam? It's him. 9. By the way, I am glad to introduce my brother Sam. 10. Allow me to introduce Sam to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and post your comments under the video link. Bye.